Water is the cradle of life and an essential part of it. It is an element that constitutes an impressive 75% of our organism and our planet. However, this entire blue world now runs the risk of lacking clean water. This is because 97% of all the planet's water is salty, 2% is in ice form, and only 1% is represented by the rivers and lakes that guarantee the supply of fresh water for human consumption. According to UN data, water scarcity is already a problem for 2 billion people. And in the metropolitan region of São Paulo, Brazil, this situation is no different. With water availability rates similar to the driest parts of Brazil's northeastern region, the volume of water from the rivers and dams is now practically the same as the population's own demand. However, the conscious use of water resources is crucial for guaranteeing the quality of life and environmental sustainability. With this in mind, an initiative by Braskem and partnership between Foz do Brasil and Sabesp through the construction project undertaken by Odebrecht Infraestrutura generated the Aquapolo project, a pioneering and innovative development in Latin America and one of the 10 largest in the world dedicated to the production of reuse water for industrial purposes. At the ABC sewage treatment plant, located at the border between São Paulo and São Caetano do Sul, a new treatment plant will be used to produce reused water for the ABC Petrochemical Center, one of Brazil's most important and responsible for generating 25,000 jobs. Aquapolo will have the capacity to supply 1,000 liters of reuse water per second, guaranteeing the continued success and sustainable growth of the petrochemical center and other potential clients. The volume of drinking water that will cease from being consumed by industries is enough to supply a city of up to 500,000 inhabitants. A sustainable solution that, by recycling and reusing sewage, meets the growing industrial demand while preserving the region's scarce water resources and also promoting development through partnerships with the community and universities. With an innovative and sustainable project, Aquapolo will produce reuse water using the sewage treated by the ABC sewage treatment plant. Part of this effluent that would normally be returned to nature is collected individually in 6 existing decanters, where gravity takes it to the low head pump station, where it will then be pumped to the preliminary treatment unit, passing through disc filters designed to retain solids with dimensions equal to or greater than 400 microns. The filtered effluent is then sent to the TMBR, which involves treatment by a tertiary biological reactor, followed by ultrafiltration. The biological treatment phase involves the removal of nitrogen, phosphorus, and organic material through anoxic and aerobic processes. Then, the effluent is pumped to the 63 ultrafiltration membrane modules. These membranes, which have 0.05 micron pores, retain solids and bacteria through filtration. The backwash and chemical cleaning processes take place at constant intervals, responsible for conserving and maintaining the modules. Online measurement equipment is used to monitor the quality of the permeated liquid that originates from the TMBR. When the quality does not meet the client's required parameters, the reverse osmosis process is used. Disinfection is the final step of the process, involving the application of chlorine. Then, the industrial water is pumped by the high head pump station until reaching the petrochemical center. Aiming to prevent possible interruptions and correct any water quality adjustments, Aquapolo designed storage tanks with the capacity for 70,000 cubic meters, meeting the client's requirements related to quality and constant volume. After the effluent transformation process, all the reuse water produced travels 17 kilometers along the pipeline through the cities of São Paulo, São Caetano do Sul, and Santo André until it reaches the ABC Petrochemical Center in Mauá. Along the pipeline's entire course, the adopted construction methodology is designed to guarantee the least damage possible during its installation, taking measures to guarantee the safety of the population and nearby buildings. The reuse water produced and distributed by Aquapualo is not intended for human consumption, but rather for different industrial applications. Preserving water resources, Aquapualo guarantees the permanence and sustainability of the ABC Petrochemical Center, in addition to providing the necessary conditions for the growth and expansion of the region's trade and industry with the supply of high-quality water. That is why the intelligent use of water is synonymous with quality of life and sustainability. Aquapualo. Transform to perpetuate.